me. Recording prep. There, look it. Oh, okay. Wait, gotta use this hand. I use it. Oh shit. Okay. This is cool. Hey. Wrong hand. Someone just messaged. What the hell? Conspiracy. Gotta read it. Is this still recording this? What if air is actually poisonous and it just takes 8 years to kill us? I like that picture. It is so funny. Oh, so it's my keyboard. I don't know where it is. But anyway. On the floor. Oh, we're still recording too. Yeah, we are. We should go outside. But it's cold. We should go outside. Look it, we're in color now. We should sit right here.
All day? I mean all night?
All day. I will sit here all day.
We could sit here all night too.
We're changing colors.
It's so intense.
Dude, look at it's like we're on fire or something, dude. Oh, it's normal. I want it to be. I like
so
it.
sad.
Why
Don't look at me.
Why are you sad? Okay, I'm turning up everything all the way. Look at. This is weird. Okay. This is fun. I look really scary. I wonder if it actually looks like I like